This is the main entrance. Now let's go in and have a look at the sample flat. As we come in, we enter into a very spacious living and dining area. Vitrified tiles have been used in the living and dining area. There's an attached balcony as well. For your convenience, the kitchen is situated right opposite to the dining hall area. A utility balcony is also attached to the kitchen. Through the utility balcony, we can access the utility room. The utility room has an attached bathroom as well as a separate entrance from outside. Attached to the living area, there is a common washroom. It also has anti-skid ceramic tiles to ensure proper safety. Ahead of the living dining hall area, there are 3 bedrooms and this is the first bedroom. It has an attached balcony which continues towards the master bedroom. Opposite to the first bedroom lies the second bedroom. This room too has an attached balcony. It also has an attached personal bathroom. The layout of the master bedroom is standard in all the typologies available in the project. It has a dedicated dressing area and a spacious bathroom. It has an attached king-sized balcony, allowing ample amount of daylight into the room. All balconies have anti-skid tiles. All the bedrooms, including this one, has a laminated wooden flooring. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. Please reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries. We will surely resolve them for you. We are happy to welcome you soon to the address where health comes first.